Number 9, solid copper sulfite is reacted with chloric acid. It's important that they tell us that this is solid. It tells us that it's going to stay together at the beginning. And chloric acid is one of our strong acids, HClO3. Strong acids always dissociate 100% into hydrogen ions and the anion. So what kind of reaction is this? It's a sulfite with an acid, and a sulfite with an acid is going to give us sulfur dioxide gas and water plus a salt. So when we write it out, remember this stays together because it's the solid plus the H plus and the ClO3, because this acid will always split up, makes my gas my water, and the salt would be made up of copper and chlorate ions. But all chlorates are soluble, so they are not going to form together into a solid. They're going to stay as ions. So I cross out spectators to write my net ionic, and when I cross out spectators, I only have one spectator. It's the chlorate ion. It's the only one that shows up on both sides of the arrow. This copper ion is not on this side because copper sulfate is a solid and the copper is tied up inside of it. So, crossing out my chlorates, I get my net ionic equation, which is copper sulfite plus hydrogen ions makes sulfur dioxide gas, water, and copper ions. The copper ions are part of the new products, so they stay in the equation.